Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Galaxy A14, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on your device. So, firstly, let's start with disabling all unnecessary features. So, as you can see, here we have a lot of features. And the first rule, if you are using one of the internet connection feature service, so just disable the other one. So we have Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you are using Wi-Fi, just disable mobile data, because if you are using if the service is enabled, it's constantly searching for their network services. So in this way, it will reduce your battery power. This rule you can decrease, you can increase, you can extend to the other services. For example, disable location services. If you are not using maps, disable Bluetooth, hotspot, nearby share, and of course edit buttons, and of course NFC. Where you have NFC, I can't find the NFC feature, so maybe I have no NFC feature on this device, so I have disabled. Okay, alright. Next, of course, maybe you think that if you will enable the dark mode, you will improve your battery life, but not, because your device have no LED screen, and dark mode helps to improve battery life only if you have the smartphone with LED screen. But as you see here, we have TN screen or LCD, and in this way dark mode will not help. So all we can do is open in settings battery and device K feature, find here battery, and choose battery saving. Not enable, but just choose. Here you can enable limit CPU and decrease brightness. So in this way, just enable this mode. But you can enable limit apps and home screen, and in this way you will enable ultra battery saving mode, and in this way your device will live really long. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.